Hello everyone. So we are looking at phase 5, chapter matrices, exercise 1. This is question number 10. So let's look at the question. Find x and y where, okay, so sum of two matrices are given to us and then their solution. So two matrices sum to this matrix. So essentially this is a question of addition of matrix. So before we go on to solving it, we have to just recall that addition of matrix when we add or subtract. So when we add and subtract, then corresponding elements corresponding elements added are added or subtracted. So we have to understand this concept, recall this concept. So when the corresponding elements have to be added or subtracted, that also tells you that addition and subtraction will happen only on same order of matrix. So matrix ka order must be same, which is same in this case. We can see it is a 2 into 1. This again is a 2 into 1. So the corresponding elements will be added here. So x minus 1 and 2y plus 4. So the matrix that we will get is x minus 1, 2y plus 4. So we will get a matrix which will be something like this. Now this is given to you as equal to 0 and 3. Now it is an equality of matrix. X minus 1 must be equal to 0. That gives us the value of x. And 2y plus 4 is equal to 3. That gives us the value of 5. So that is what we have to just do here. So this is when you add and then doing the different equations for here, we will get the value of x and y.